All right, folks, going on in. Here we are. See the little vanilla wafer there. This is just a refreshing dessert. Just absolutely refreshing. Thing is full of vanilla wafers, bananas. I could eat this all day. Nothing but a bunch of goodness there, folks. Welcome back to another episode of Rico Soul Italia Eats. And in this episode, we're going to show you how you can make this wonderful, delicious, and refreshing banana pudding in 15 to 20 minutes. So without further ado, let's get into our video. Here's the ingredients that you'll need. 5 bananas, 2 boxes of Jell-O pudding, a large box of vanilla wafers, 2 bags of Pepperidge Farm Chessmen cookies, a 16-ounce container of Cool Whip, and 3 cups of cold milk. All right, we're gonna put the vanilla Jell-O in first. Next, we're gonna put the banana in. I'm gonna pour in 6 cups of milk. Here's 2. This makes 4 cups. Here's our final 2 cups, and now we'll whisk it all together. We'll whisk until our pudding gets thick. All right, so we're going to add about 8 ounces of Cool Whip. As you can see, we're now adding the 8 ounces of Cool Whip. Pudding is at the consistency that we like it. Now we're going to add our vanilla wafers to our casserole dish. We're done with our first layer of vanilla wafers. Now we're going to slice up our bananas. We'll layer our bananas and we'll put them on top of our wafers. Now it's time to give our dish a layer of pudding. We'll smooth it out and add another layer of vanilla wafers. Time to give it another layer of sliced bananas. We'll now add our final layer of pudding. Here's our final layer of whipped cream, and afterwards we'll smooth it out. Chessmen cookies. We're now adding our Pepperidge Farm Chessmen cookies. Rico Soul Italia Eats. And there you have it, folks. This is our homemade banana pudding. Rico Soul Italia Eats. Homemade banana pudding, and boy, we just cannot wait to dig into this thing. Here we are, Rico Soul Italia Eats, and look what we have here. We have some homemade banana pudding with vanilla wafers, Pepperidge Farm chess cookies, as well as bananas, whipped cream, and banana pudding.
All right, let's dig into this. So creamy. Got me a vanilla wafer. I could taste all those banana slices in there. Here goes another wafer.
All right, folks, going on in. Here we are. See the little vanilla wafer there. This is just a refreshing dessert. Just absolutely refreshing. Thing is full of vanilla wafers, bananas, banana pudding, as well as whipped cream. I could eat this all day. Nothing but a bunch of goodness there, folks. This is gonna wrap up our video, folks. This is our homemade banana pudding. Make it, it's easy, quick, fast. Like I said, you can have it done in 10 minutes. Let it sit in the fridge and let it chill for about an hour. Serve it to the kids, and it is absolutely refreshing. Bon appetit, peoples. Bon appetit. Rico Soul Italia Eats homemade banana pudding.